All right, and then the final one for textbook page review from pages 122 through 123 is number 6. A square and an equilateral triangle have the same perimeter. If that means they have the same perimeter, that means their perimeters are equivalent. Each side of the triangle is 4 inches longer than each side of the square. What's the perimeter of the square? So to solve, I have to first set up an equation. So I'll have the perimeter of the square on one side, and I'll have the perimeter of the equilateral triangle on the other side. Lateral triangle on the other side. Okay, so if I have a square here and I have a triangle here, let's make that a better looking triangle. A triangle here. It really doesn't look that much better, but it's okay. So it says that I have the square. It doesn't really tell me anything about the square, so I'll just say that the length of one side is x, and then the length of, or each side of the triangle is 4 inches longer than the side of the square. So we'll just have that as x plus 4. Well, if I know that the right side or my left side is a square, that means that all the side lengths are x. And if the triangle is equilateral, then all of its sides are x plus 4. Okay, so then I can just solve for x here by making this, so I can change this into variable terms. So to find the perimeter of the square, I just add up all of my x's. So I have 4 x's is equivalent to, and then I have on the right side for the equilateral triangle, I have x plus 4 3 times. And then I can just go ahead and solve. So what I'm going to choose to do, I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 3 on the right side to everything inside my parentheses. So I'll have my 4x is equal to 3x plus 12. I'll move my variable terms to the left side, and I'm left with x, or 12 on the right and x on the left. So x is actually equal to 12, but that's not your answer because they asked us to find the perimeter of the square. Well, x is the side length of one side of the square. So x is equal to 12, but I have 4 x's for my square. So to find my perimeter of my square, I'll just say 4x is equal to the perimeter of my square. So that means the perimeter of my square is equal to 4 times 12, which is 48. And they told us that the triangle is 4 inches longer. So it's really 48 inches long is our answer for the perimeter of our square. And that is it for this.